ETF is better, QQQ or VGT? I'm not going to tell you. But we're going to go over all this important information, and then you'll be able to make the decision that's best for you. My name is Kenneth, and I talk about the stock market and investing and blah, blah, blah. Bottom line, if you don't want to work forever and you want to retire one day, smash that follow. QQQ is $426 per share at the time of this filming. Their 1, 5, and 10-year growth is pretty fantastic. They've got $244 billion in assets under management, but their dividend is kind of whatever. But then again, you're not investing in a tech-heavy ETF for their dividends. You're investing in them for their growth. However, they have grown their dividend 10.55% in the last 5 years. That's pretty good. Their dividend pays out 4 times a year, and they have an expense ratio of 0.20%, which is very low. Remember, anything under 1% is low. And you can see their holdings breakdown here, with tech being the heaviest at 51%. QQQ invests in Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Nvidia, Broadcom, Meta, which is Facebook, both classes of Google stock, Tesla, and Costco, and they invest in 102 companies total. VGT is $506 a share, and their 1 and 5-year growth is pretty similar, but things get very different when we're going back 10 years. VGT also has way fewer assets under management at $69 billion. And while their dividend is a little bit better at 0.62%, their 5-year growth is a little bit lower. But we all know when you're investing in tech heavy, you're not really there for the dividends. They also pay quarterly, and their expense ratio is a little bit lower. And speaking of technology, 99% of their investments are in tech stocks. Of the top 10 investments for VGT, they're pretty similar. Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Broadcom, Adobe, Salesforce, AMD, Accenture, Intel, and Cisco. And they invest in 315 companies. Now, I'm all the way up here, so you can take a screenshot of all of this and do your own research. I will pause and pose for the photo. By the way, if you look at this template, hold on. And if you want this template for yourself, just leave a comment below telling me how handsome or how cool I am, and I'll tell you where you can get it. Totally for free, no strings attached. I'm not like those other content creators who say, it's free, and then you go on the website and it's not really free. Smash the follow.